Want to grow your wealth without watching the stock market every day? In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 stocks to buy and hold forever. Long-term winners with strong fundamentals and future potential. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build wealth the smart way. Investing in the stock market can be a roller coaster ride, volatile, unpredictable, and emotional. But if you're looking for long-term wealth building, the best approach often involves identifying stable, proven companies with strong fundamentals, competitive advantages, and consistent returns. These are the kinds of companies you buy once and hold forever. Below are 5 of the top stocks that have stood the test of time and continue to be investor favorites for the long haul. 5. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson is a global healthcare giant that has stood the test of time. With over 130 years of history, the company has remained a rock-solid investment for long-term holders. Its diversified business model spans consumer health products, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. From Tylenol to surgical equipment, J&J has products used daily around the world. One of the most compelling reasons to hold J&J is its status as a dividend king, a company that has increased its dividend payout for over 50 consecutive years. This commitment to rewarding shareholders, combined with stable earnings and low volatility, makes it a classic buy and forget stock. Healthcare demand continues to rise with aging populations globally, and J&J is at the forefront of innovation in immunology, oncology, and surgical technologies. While lawsuits and regulatory scrutiny remain risks, J&J's massive scale, cash reserves, and brand trust offer a protective moat that's difficult to disrupt. 4. Visa Incorporated V. Visa is one of the world's leading payment technology companies, operating a powerful global network that processes trillions of dollars in transactions annually. With the global economy increasingly moving toward digital transactions, Visa is poised to benefit for decades. Unlike banks, Visa doesn't issue credit or take on lending risk. Instead, it acts as a toll collector for every swipe, tap, or online purchase that runs through its network, making it highly profitable with very low overhead risk. Its operating margin consistently exceeds 60%, which is extraordinary. Visa's dominance in the cashless economy, along with its continuous expansion into underbanked regions like Africa and Southeast Asia, sets it apart. As more consumers and businesses go digital, Visa remains one of the biggest beneficiaries. It also invests heavily in AI and cybersecurity to stay ahead of evolving threats and competition from fintech disruptors. This stock combines growth, global exposure, strong free cash flow, and brand strength. It's the kind of stock that could quietly make you wealthy over decades. 3. Microsoft Corporation, MSFT. Microsoft has evolved from a desktop software company into a global leader in cloud computing, AI, and enterprise solutions. With its Azure platform, Microsoft Teams, Office 365, and its recent investments in OpenAI, Microsoft continues to innovate while delivering consistent earnings growth. What makes Microsoft such a strong long-term hold is its ability to reinvent itself. It survived the dot-com bust, navigated the rise of mobile, and now leads in AI and cloud services. With its enterprise contracts, recurring revenue model, and sticky customer base, Microsoft enjoys some of the best margins in tech. Microsoft also pays a dividend and buys back shares, giving investors both growth and income. Under CEO Satya Nadella's leadership, the company has prioritized cloud and AI development, keeping it relevant and competitive in today's fast-moving digital world. Its balance sheet is pristine, with over $140 billion in cash reserves. The stock rarely goes on sale, but any dip could be a golden buying opportunity for those thinking 10 to 20 years ahead. 2. Apple Incorporated, AAPL. Apple is more than just the iPhone. It's an entire ecosystem of devices, software, services, and customer loyalty. From Macs and iPads to AirPods and Apple Pay, Apple has mastered the art of creating products that people don't just use, they love. But what makes Apple a forever stock is its transition to a services-driven company. Subscriptions like iCloud, Apple Music, Fitness Plus, and Apple TV Plus now make up a growing share of its revenue, providing steady recurring income. Its ecosystem is so tightly integrated that once consumers buy a new Apple, they rarely leave. With over 2 billion active devices globally, Apple enjoys unparalleled pricing power and global brand equity. Its cash hoard of over $160 billion gives it flexibility for acquisitions, buybacks, and R&D. Despite being the largest company in the world by market cap, Apple continues to grow thanks to innovation, customer loyalty, and efficient supply chain management. It also returns massive value to shareholders through buybacks and dividends. Long-term investors have enjoyed explosive returns, and the story isn't over yet. 1. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, BRKA and BRKB. At number 1 is the legendary holding company Berkshire Hathaway, led for decades by Warren Buffett, and now gradually transitioning to a new generation of leadership. Berkshire is often described as a mutual fund wrapped in a single stock, giving investors exposure to multiple sectors: insurance, utilities, energy, manufacturing, and a massive stock portfolio, all under one roof. Owning Berkshire means owning stakes in companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America, Chevron, and American Express, alongside wholly owned businesses like Jetco, BNSF Railway, and Dairy Queen. What makes Berkshire so powerful is its disciplined capital allocation. It doesn't pay a dividend. Instead, it reinvests earnings into undervalued opportunities or buys back its own shares, often at the perfect time. This long-term compounding machine has outperformed the market for decades. Its fortress-like balance sheet, diversified earnings base, and timeless investing principles make it the ultimate buy and hold forever stock. Whether markets soar or crash, Berkshire provides stability, growth, and peace of mind for patient investors. While there's no such thing as a guaranteed winner in the stock market, these 5 companies offer something rare: durability, market leadership, innovation, and consistent shareholder value. Holding stocks like Microsoft, Apple, or Berkshire Hathaway through decades of volatility has historically paid off. Investing is a long game. It's not about chasing hype but choosing high-quality businesses with strong moats and letting compounding do the work. These 5 stocks represent companies that are built to last, not just for the next quarter, but for the next generation. Those are the 5 forever stocks that I believe deserve a place in any long-term portfolio. Are you already holding any of these? Let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investing insights every week.